What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. My name is Dallin Anderson, and today we are going to be talking about XRP. Before we get started though, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so XRP and why it will make you richer than your wildest dreams. So we're on the 3-day candlesticks here with XRP, and today we're going to be talking first and foremost about this fractal comparison between Bitcoin and XRP. So over here on the left, we see XRP, and over here on the right, we see a fractal of a Bitcoin market cycle. Now, this Bitcoin market cycle is a spitting image of what's happening with XRP currently. So what happens with market cycles is you get your first cycle, you pump really high, you go really crazy, then you pull back, and a lot of times you get another mini cycle that's kind of a fractal of the bigger one. So you see this big pump right here, right? Then you get another mini pump right here. So it's a fractal, it's a smaller copy of the bigger pump. Now, if you look over here on Bitcoin, we see the same thing, right? We see a massive pump right here. Then you get your mini pump that comes afterwards. The fractal, the copy of the bigger one, then it pulls back just like how the big one does. Then after that, you go into a raging bull market. So that's what I'm seeing here with XRP in the bigger time frames. Now, the other thing that we're seeing is the major trend line is holding very strongly. So keep your eyes on this major big picture trend line here on the 3-day candlesticks. Because as this trend line holds, we're going to see XRP start to turn around here and start to behave like how Bitcoin did after it bottomed out. Now, it takes a little bit of faith to buy support because from an emotional perspective, people want to sell in the dip, and since this peak and relative to this peak, we're in a dip, right? It's worth 54 cents. At its peak, it was worth almost $4, right? So we're in a dip relative to our previous peaks. So emotionally, psychologically, people want to sell right here. It might take a little bit of faith to buy a major trend line, but that major trend line is going to result in a very big move here with XRP. So what will that look like? Well, that will look like, first of all, a break over our immediate resistance right here, which will create a massive double bottom pattern, by the way, with a massive double bottom breakout when we confirm a break above that level right here. And that double bottom target is basically the all-time high. So let's show you what that would look like here. You can measure the height of the pattern and place it at the top of the resistance of the double bottom pattern, and that will give you your target. So this double bottom pattern here on XRP, if we break above that resistance level here with that double bottom, we're going to head straight up to this major all-time high previous resistance level, just like how Bitcoin did, right? Bitcoin went right up to that previous all-time high, pushed right up through it, and started a bull market. So go Google double bottom pattern and you can learn a little bit about how that works. But for the purpose of this video, just remember that as XRP bounces off of this major support level and starts to push up through resistance, once we break above and through that resistance level, a double bottom pattern is confirmed, and our first target is the previous all-time high. It's exactly what Bitcoin did. So watch for this to play out with XRP. watch for a break above this immediate resistance level. Watch for us to start to push up to that previous all-time high as a result of this big picture double bottom here with XRP. So I really love this setup here, right? It looks amazing. It looks so good. But again, because of human emotion, because of pride, because people care more about being right than being rich, they're going to sell. They're not going to buy here. And then in a year's time, in 2 years' time, when Bitcoin is absolutely going crazy again, right? When Bitcoin is just going nuts, it's going to keep going nuts, by the way. But I'm talking like 2017 style. We haven't had that yet. We haven't had a 2017-like run since 2017. So when Bitcoin's going crazy, as it keeps breaking out here in this massive rounded bottom, as it keeps going up, you're going to see coins like XRP go completely nuts, okay? And all those people that because of pride, because of emotion, like I said, because they care more about being right than being rich, those are the people that are not going to buy right here. And they're not going to buy Bitcoin either, right? But Bitcoin is going to take off. And as it does, money is going to keep coming into your favorite altcoins, right? It's going to keep going into XRP. It's going to keep going into Litecoin. It's going to keep going into Ethereum. Bitcoin is the mothership. Just like in the stock market, as money goes into the indices, right? As money goes into the S&P 500, as money goes into the Dow Jones, money goes into all of the tech stocks. The same is true for Bitcoin and the crypto markets. As money comes into Bitcoin, all of that money trickles down into all of your favorite altcoins. And because they have a smaller market cap than Bitcoin, they end up doing better percentage gain. Now, Bitcoin always does the best percentage gain at the start of bull markets, and Bitcoin has had the best historical total percentage gain since its inception. So Bitcoin is definitely one of the best investments on the planet, right? But with that being said, as more money comes into Bitcoin, your altcoins are going to take off. And because they have lower market cap, they're going to do higher percentage gains as we get further and further into the bull market than Bitcoin will. But that doesn't mean Bitcoin won't go completely nuts. It will. Bitcoin will go completely nuts. But at the same time, your altcoins are going to go completely nuts, like nutso times 3. So get ready for these big moves coming in your favorite altcoins, including XRP. And as XRP has been a sleeping giant for who knows how long now, right? It's been years. We haven't had a 2017-like run on XRP since 2017. So even though Bitcoin might not do 50 times in value or even 100 times in value, as money comes flooding into Bitcoin, you're going to see your favorite altcoins take off. And some of those altcoins, because they have such a low market cap, can do like 25 times, even 50 times or more in value. While Bitcoin is going well over 100,000 per coin, you're going to see these altcoins go crazy, including XRP. The chart is screaming it, right? This chart is screaming a massive impulse, just like what happened on Bitcoin back in the day as it finished its double bottom pattern here in 2020. So the same thing is happening here with XRP today. As Bitcoin goes into this big picture bull market and keeps breaking higher, we're going to see it go well over 100,000 per coin, and you're going to see your favorite altcoins go nuts, including XRP. So you guys, keep your faith, right? XRP is going to make a lot of millionaires, but not if you sell, not if you let emotion control your decisions. So get ready for a big bull market coming here with XRP. Yes, it is a sleeping giant. Yes, it has been accumulating for a long time. Yes, in the YouTube comments of every single XRP YouTuber Everybody's always like, why are you talking about this coin? You said it was going to moon. It will, you guys, it will moon. And the smart investors know it. So keep your eyes on this coin. It's going to take off like crazy. All right? So get ready for a big bull market coming in XRP, and get ready for Bitcoin to keep pushing higher as we're breaking bullish out of this bull flag. So big things are coming in crypto. Super excited about these markets. XRP is just so undervalued down here. It blows my mind. So get ready for $2, $3 plus XRP in the near future. And if we break above this all-time high, like I suspect we will, the moon is the limit, right? Who knows how high this thing is going to go. So that's my views on XRP. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. I hope you learned something and found it valuable. If you did, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.